Hi guys, it's me from Lake Waves again. So the flash flood happened right next to our lake and a bunch of bugs came across. So I'm going to use this zap thing. When I press this button it like zaps stuff. And well, we're just going to get rid of some bugs. Okay, there was a bunch of those tiny ones around here, not anymore. I say as one of them hits my head. Let's go down by the lake. There probably is a few flare from the flashlight. I'm just going to keep this on at all times because that will happen. Look, I'm not even moving. They're just flying right into it. I probably shouldn't do this near the plants. Here we go, move back. Okay. I think that's a few of them. I'm telling you, this is so easy to use. And it's awesome because we've got this lake.
The lake claimed part of our deck.
And our dog jumped in.
Our dog did jump in the lake. That was nice.
We couldn't get it on camera. But look at how easy this is. Ah, there's one in my hand. There we go. They're just everywhere, the tiny ones. They don't even know it hit them, except they do. Also, don't try this at home unless you have a lake. Okay, I think that's a few from there. Over here, there's probably some. Yeah, it sticks to the point where you just walk around like this, and you'll just get them. You want to drop this thing in the pool. Some over here.
So would you say it's a successful bug zapper?
Yep, it sure works, and it sure is good for our lake.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough for our video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to stay tuned for more of this. We'll probably see this in other videos. Bye.